this is a free 300 Ghana cedis that I've received into my MoMo wallet. So over here, I didn't do anything for this 300 Ghana cedis. So I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. But first of all, let's go through and see. So this one, I didn't work for this. But if you come up here, you can see 108 payment have been made as commission, meaning for that one, I've worked for it. If you go here, you'll see 55 Ghana cedis as commission. If you go down, you see 60 Ghana cedis as commission. If you come down, 50 Ghana cedis as commission again. Please, I'm not editing anything here. So 98 Ghana cedis as commission. You can go on and on. 138 Ghana cedis as commission. You can go 86 Ghana cedis as commission. You see, so in this video, I'm going to show you how this is done, or how I've been making this into my MoMo wallet, you know, as a side hustle, so that, you know, if you're also interested, you can also be part of this and make some extra cash for yourself. So if you want to know how I got this free money, it's simply a free gift from a company. Now, what the company does is that they give you like smartphones to sell, like Samsung Galaxy A series. So you sell these phones and then you make a commission on all your sales. So they can give you like Samsung Galaxy A23 or Samsung Galaxy A13, Samsung Galaxy A3 or A3 core. Then they'll give it to you for free to sell. You're not going to put any capital there. You're not going to put any money there. All they need from you is your Ghana card. So if you submit your Ghana card, they'll just give you these phones to sell. So this can be a side hustle or a full-time job. So for me in particular, like, I really like phones, so I like it as a side hustle because like I have different things doing. So if you are someone who don't have anything doing, like, this can be a nice job for you. But honestly, it takes some time for you to get like people to sell to, and I think this is general. If you are selling anything at all for the first time, it will be hard for you to get people to buy. But if one person buys, that's it. So the others, or that person will tell the other person, another person will also tell another, then your sales will begin. So if you want to sell anything at all, I think that's how it is. So for me, this one have actually opened me to sales, like sales. So I really have to put in more effort in my selling abilities. So once you get the phone, it's up to you to sell it. So how you sell it all depend on you. So if you want to use social media, or you want to use the normal way of selling, it's okay. For me, I've been using the two, both social media and the normal way of selling, the natural way of selling. So the one you use just depend on you. So I did some videos about how to get access to some of these phones. So if you are someone who is interested in buying one of the phones, or you are interested in selling some of the phones, I did some videos showing you how you can get access to the phones. So at the end of this video, all these 3 videos are going to be on the screen, so you can, you know, watch them and then get to know more about what I'm saying in this video. So briefly, this one is for someone who wants to start a business and that person don't have a capital to get started. This is a great opportunity for you because, you know, if you want to start selling phones, you have to put some capital down, at least like some 10,000 or 20,000 before you can get access to phones, to put up your shop and all that. But here are the case, like, they'll give these phones to you for free to sell. So you sell and then you make your commission. It's the same thing as bringing your phones to your shop. You know, you have to put in a shop and all that. But this one, you go for them for free. Like, no one is going to, you know, no one is going to take any money from you. No one is going to ask you anything, like no pressure at all. You have the time to sell. If you sell, fine. If you're not able to sell, you send it back to the company that you are not able to sell, and they'll give you different ones. So like, anytime you sell some number of phones, there are free gifts for you. It's just like how some companies have been doing it. Let's say if you're an agent to Jata Cement or Dangote Cement, if you are selling their cement very fast, they'll give you some extra cement as a gift, or they'll give you some bonuses. It's the same thing. If you are selling the products, like the phones, they will give you some extra bonuses. They can give you a smartphone, or they can even give you like money, like how they've sent me, based on your sales. So for me, I'm not into this like wholly. It's just a side hustle. So if you are someone who is into it 100%, like, you might win prizes aside your commission. So this is a nice way to start business without any investment. So if you go on social media and people have been asking how to start a business without any investment, this is one best way to start a business without any investment. So this was how I made 300 Ghana cedis into my MoMo wallet for free. So if you live in the Greater Accra region, you can also take advantage of this. For those of you who are in other regions like the Volta region, the Eastern region and stuff, like, you have to wait a little bit. As the company grows, they will definitely reach to you guys. All right, so guys, so that's it. If you're interested in selling, you can hit me up on updateandfinance@gmail.com. If you are also interested in buying, you can leave your message there as well. So I'll reach out to you so that I'll give you the terms and conditions and give you every explanation. Some people have already joined and they've got their product to sell. So guys, if you are also interested, why not hit me up? Let's go. Now, if you find my videos helpful, be sure to be part of this YouTube channel. Now, I do finance related videos, including updates related to business, stuff like that. So if you're interested, be sure to be part of this YouTube channel so that anytime I bring out a new video, you'll be one of the first people to get the notification. Thanks for watching this video, and I'm going to see you in my next video.